Is there a secret weapon out there, a game changer that could revolutionize how you, whether you're running a thriving business or just navigating your personal finances, manage your resources and achieve your goals? What if I told you there's a platform buzzing with potential, promising to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and maybe even unlock new levels of efficiency? The name on everyone's lips, the one sparking curiosity across industries and individual users alike, is BluPeak. But the burning question remains, is this intriguing platform, this potential powerhouse, actually within reach for you? Is BluPeak exclusively for the big players, the established corporations with sprawling teams and complex needs? Or does it extend its hand to the nimble startups, the ambitious solopreneurs, and even individuals seeking to optimize their personal lives? That's precisely what we're diving deep into today. We're going to unravel the mystery surrounding BluPeak's accessibility, dissecting its offerings and exploring who exactly can tap into its purported benefits. Forget the vague marketing jargon and the carefully crafted press releases. We're here for the straight answers, the real scoop on whether BluPeak is a tool for the select few or a resource available to all. To truly understand BluPeak's reach, we first need to get a clearer picture of what it actually is. BluPeak isn't a single, monolithic entity. From what we've gathered, it appears to be a multifaceted platform, potentially offering a suite of services and solutions designed to address various needs. Think of it less like a single app and more like a comprehensive toolkit. For businesses, BluPeak could potentially offer solutions for customer relationship management, CRM, enabling them to build stronger connections with their clients, manage sales pipelines, and provide exceptional service. It might also delve into the realm of data analytics, providing businesses with valuable insights into their operations, helping them identify trends, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive growth. Imagine having a centralized dashboard that gives you a bird's-eye view of your key performance indicators, allowing you to spot opportunities and address challenges proactively. On the individual front, while the core might be business-focused, there's a strong possibility that certain aspects or tailored versions of BluPeak could cater to personal productivity. This could involve features for task management, goal setting, personal finance tracking, or even tools to help individuals organize their projects and commitments more effectively. Think of it as a personal assistant in digital form, helping you stay on top of your responsibilities and achieve your personal objectives. Now, let's circle back to the crucial question, who can actually use BluPeak? The answer, based on our research, appears to be encouragingly inclusive. While BluPeak undoubtedly offers robust solutions designed for businesses of various sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, it doesn't seem to be exclusively gatekept for the corporate world. For businesses, the availability likely hinges on different subscription tiers or customized packages tailored to their specific needs and the scale of their operations. A small business with a handful of employees might opt for a more basic plan with essential project management and collaboration features. A larger corporation, on the other hand, might require a more comprehensive enterprise solution with advanced analytics, CRM integration, and dedicated support. The beauty of such a tiered system is that it allows businesses to choose a plan that aligns with their budget and requirements, ensuring they're not paying for features they don't need. The exciting part is the indication that BluPeak also extends its reach to individual users. This could manifest in several ways. Perhaps there's a specific version of the platform designed for personal productivity, focusing on task management, personal goal tracking, and maybe even basic financial organization. Alternatively, certain core features of the business platform might be accessible to individuals on a smaller scale, offering a taste of the power and efficiency that BluPeak provides. Think about a freelancer managing multiple projects, juggling deadlines, and tracking invoices. A streamlined task management system and basic project organization tools from BluPeak could be invaluable. Or consider an individual striving to achieve personal goals, whether it's learning a new skill, managing a personal budget, or planning a significant event. Having a centralized platform to track progress, set reminders, and stay organized could significantly increase their chances of success. It's important to note that the exact features and pricing structures for both businesses and individuals might vary. BluPeak could offer different subscription levels with varying features and user limits. There might be freemium options available, allowing users to try out basic functionalities before committing to a paid plan. It's also possible that they offer customized enterprise solutions with bespoke pricing tailored to the unique needs of large organizations. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding BluPeak's availability and specific offerings for businesses and individuals, the best course of action would be to visit their official website. There, you'll likely find detailed information on their different plans, features, and pricing structures. They might also have dedicated sections for business solutions and individual users, outlining the specific benefits and functionalities tailored to each group. Furthermore, exploring online reviews and testimonials from existing BluPeak users, both businesses and individuals, can provide valuable insights into the real-world experience of using the platform. These first-hand accounts can shed light on the ease of use, the effectiveness of the features, and the overall value proposition of BluPeak for different types of users. Keep an eye out for case studies or success stories published by BluPeak. These can offer concrete examples of how businesses and individuals have leveraged the platform to achieve tangible results, providing a clearer understanding of its potential impact. In conclusion, while BluPeak appears to be a robust platform with a strong focus on business solutions, the indications suggest that it's not exclusively limited to the corporate world. There's a strong possibility that individual users can also benefit from certain aspects or tailored versions of the platform, empowering them to enhance their personal productivity and achieve their goals more effectively. The key takeaway is that BluPeak seems to be striving for broader accessibility, recognizing that the need for efficient management and enhanced productivity isn't confined to businesses alone. Individuals, freelancers, and solopreneurs can also significantly benefit from the right tools and platforms. To get the definitive answer and explore the specific options available to you, whether you're representing a business or looking for personal productivity solutions, your next step should be to delve deeper into BluPeak's official resources. Explore their website, read reviews, and perhaps even reach out to their sales or support teams for personalized information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.